Hi friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So last class we discussed about the list group items. Okay, so in this session I would like to explain Bootstrap badges. Okay, so badge is the one. Okay, so it will add okay a size for immediate the parent element. So by using a relative and font size EM units. Okay, so badges have focused on this. Like we can apply hover styles for the links. Okay, so for creating a badge we use a class is called badge. Okay, so let me share my Visual Studio. So here I can save the file with the badges.html. badges.html. So here we will add here badges. So let me add bs link. Okay, for bs link css, sorry, link css bootstrap.min.css. So I'm just adding your bootstrap link. Okay, now let me write here some br. Okay, I'm taking one container. Okay, now so I'm trying to show here first, and I'm trying to apply for text. Okay, so for badges I'm trying to apply on text. So let me take h2. Okay, so this is badge badge example example text. Okay, so for this I'm trying to create one span element. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying to add here badge. Okay, badge secondary. Okay, so I'm trying to give here a gray color box. Just add here new heading. Okay, right click, open in default browser. Okay, so sorry, so here we add the badge, right? I'm sorry, we need to apply here basic color. Okay, so that it will be work. So just reload this. Look at this here. Okay, so we created here a badge, and similarly let me take one more heading. Same, I'm just copying this one. Okay, this is another example. I'm make it to for h6. Okay, now I'll get a small badge here. Okay, so we'll get a small batch, and for this one, instead of secondary I'm just giving here primary. Okay, primary I'm just giving. So go to this here, just reload this page. Okay, so we'll get here primary batch. Okay, similarly we have a different types of badges available here. Let me take an example. So I'm just making to h3, and for h3, so here also h3. So here we can write here danger. Okay, we can also write here in a success. So go to this, just reload this page. Okay, so there we go. We have your okay, different types of badges here. Let me make it to H5. Okay, I'm just making H5. So go there, just reload this page. Okay, like we can apply badges. Next thing, we can also apply it for the buttons also. Okay, so for buttons, I'm taking here one, so using button notifications. Okay, so button notifications, for button notifications we use this badges also. Okay, so for this button notifications, I'm trying to add one button here. So for button, I'm trying to add one class and just add here btn 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 success and button lg. Okay, so we can add here message notifications, message notifications. Okay, now we created one button with a green color. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go, we have a button notifications. So for button notification, I'm trying to add one badge here. Okay, so badge for the span element. So we're trying to add here one class. Okay, so badge beige warning, and I'm trying to add text there. I'm trying to add here a text. Okay, or I'm trying to add a rate. Go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so here we go. So we just added here notifications 8. Okay, and for the badge, so I need a text here dark. We can add here text dark position. Okay, so we'll get here a dark. See, so we just add here button notifications. And next thing, we can also position this element. So how to position this? Okay, using badges. Let me take here position. For position, okay, let me create one button here. Okay, type equal to button. Okay, we can add here class btn button info. Okay, so we can also add here position in here. So I'm just adding here position relative. Position relative. Okay, for position relative, I'm just adding here inbox messages. Okay, for inbox messages, or else let me add here an inbox. Okay, I'm trying to add one span element. Okay, for span, okay, we can add on class. Okay, so here we just add here position absolute, because I need to paste above this, above the text. Okay, so we can use here absolute, position absolute, and we can use this top 0. Okay, and we can also use start. Okay, start 100, and we can use this translate. Okay, so translate function, translate. Okay, we will use here translate middle. Okay, and I'm just adding here a batch. Okay, batch. So after that bg danger. Okay, I'm just adding here rounded pill. rounded pill. Okay, and inside of span element, okay, inside of span, I'm just adding here 99 plus. Okay, let me go to this. Let's reload this page. So here we go. We just add here a position. Okay, and we can use here button primary. Okay, just go to this. Just reload this page. See, we just add position above here. Okay, and you can also use same thing profile also. Okay, for profile, let me copy this. I can paste it here. I'm just taking here success. Okay, success. Now the same we will making here. Okay, so here we'll make a rounded pill, right? I'm making here rounded circle. Rounded circle. I'm just removing this one. Go to this. Let's reload this page. Okay, and trying to add profile. Okay, profile. And we just add some border for this. Okay, I'm just adding. Okay, same. I'm just adding here padding 2. Okay, I'm adding here border. Okay, and also add one more class is called border light. Border light class. Go there. Just reload this page. Okay, so for this here we taken badge, right? I'm just removing this badge. Okay, we don't need badge here. Just removing this badge. Go there. See, we'll make like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna give here MB3 or EML margin left. I will do one thing. I make here an empty paragraph. Okay, see, we'll create here a profile. Okay, similarly we can apply some background colors. Okay, using this badges. Okay, so for this let me take span item class batch bg primary. Okay, this is a primary batch. I'm just changing here secondary, and success, warning, danger, dark. So go there. Let's reload this page. See, so we created here a badges. Okay, and we can also use here. I'm just wanna use some paddings P2, and I'm gonna add here rounded bill, rounded bill class. Trying to copy this class, we can paste it here. Here also. Go to this browser, let's reload this. See, replace your badges with rounded. Okay, so like this we can create a badges in the Bootstrap.